answers to 20 curious questions in 5 minutes. Is it possible to catch a flying bullet with my hands? The bullet does not move all the time with its initial speed of 800 to 900 meters per second. Due to air resistance, it gradually slows down its flight and by the end of the journey, at the end, makes only 40 meters per second. And the plane develops such speed. This means that it can easily happen that the bullet and the plane will have the same speed, then in relation to the pilot the bullet will be motionless or will move hardly. It will not cost anything to grab it with your hand, especially when wearing a glove, because a bullet moving in the air is very hot. Is it possible to stand on the surface of Jupiter? To get on a planet like a gas giant is impossible. In essence, these are planets consisting of gas. Our Jupiter, for example, is 86% hydrogen, and 14% helium, two of the lightest and most abundant elements in the universe. There is no hard surface on which to walk. You would just go down through the clouds, until in the end you were crushed by the pressure of the planet's atmosphere. A visit to this type of planet is not possible due to the colossal pressure and temperatures. When does the sun set over the British Empire? Every night, around midnight GMT, the sun sets over the Cayman Islands and rises over British territory in the Indian Ocean only after 1 in the morning. During this hour, the small islands of Pitcairn in the South Pacific remain the only British territory under the sun. The exact date of the last sunset in the empire depends on when Australia was annexed, but most likely it happened in the late 18th or early 19th century. Where does space begin? In fact, there is no clear boundary between the sky and space. But officially in aviation and astronautics it is believed that an altitude of 118 kilometers above sea level is already the border of space. Speaking from a scientific point of view, space is considered a place where there are no gas molecules left, and this is about 1,000 kilometers above sea level.